Let this sink in. 84% of small and mid-sized businesses are flying blind without a documented sales process. And the 16% that do, they're winning more deals more often. Now let's break down the 5 ways an outdated sales process is holding you back and the 3 steps you can take right now to fix it. Not harnessing a structured sales framework doesn't just slow you down. It actively prevents you from growing revenue and scaling your sales process. An outdated or poorly aligned sales process is not a neutral issue. It's a direct barrier to growth. So here are 5 ways an outdated sales framework limits growth. It prevents scalability. Aligning cross-functional teams, training new reps, and replicating top performers' success, it becomes nearly impossible. Second is lost revenue. Unaligned teams can cost businesses over 10% of their annual revenue. When teams work in silos and not following a unified sales process, they miss opportunities and can't efficiently grow sales production. Third is inefficiencies and lost productivity. Without a clear process, sales reps waste valuable time on administrative tasks instead of selling. In fact, HubSpot reports that 66% of salespeople spend over half their day on non-revenue generating tasks like emails, or spending too much time attending internal meetings during prime selling hours. Fourth is wasted time and effort. Without a clear process, reps waste time chasing non-prioritized deals, developing relationships without a plan, without a way to track progress and where deals stall so that they can make improvements. And fifth, unpredictable results. When relying on instinct and guesswork instead of a proven, repeatable framework, results become unpredictable. Without an end-to-end selling framework, it's difficult to track performance, forecast revenue, or identify pipeline bottlenecks. Look, what's the root cause of this? It's a fragmented, unaligned selling framework. The 3 steps to fix this lies within adopting a complete, integrated sales framework with these essential components. It begins with embracing a proven sales methodology that serves as a strategic foundation. It's the GPS that guides each stage of the sales process. Next is following a stage-by-stage process that provides the optimal tactical moves that salespeople should incorporate from lead gen to closing more deals with confidence. And third, it's harnessing a comprehensive playbook filled with tools and templates that put strategy into action, enabling seamless execution at every stage. When these components are misaligned, they create friction in your funnel, bottlenecks in your pipeline, and unpredictable sales results. Look, the good news, you don't need to hire a brand new team or buy some fancy technology to fix this. Just a smarter approach. You can download the Modern Sales Process checklist below to start uncovering gaps. Then stick with me because in the next section, we'll break down the 3 simple steps to realign your process, streamline your system, and unlock faster, more consistent growth. It's easier than you think, and it starts with step 1.